This video introduces how to configure AI Wi-Fi optimization on Ruijie Cloud Pro. AI Wi-Fi Optimization 3.0 is an intelligent and automatic radio optimization solution designed for SMEs in complex scenarios with multiple APs. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud Pro. On the displayed web page, enter your username and password, and click Login. If the Ruijie Cloud page is displayed, click the profile icon in the upper right corner and click Switch Cloud Platform. Select Ruijie Cloud Pro and click OK. On the home page of a project, choose AI Optimization from the navigation pane and then click Optimize Now. Set the Wi-Fi optimization mode to Deep Optimization or Quick Optimization as required. In Deep Optimization mode, you can optimize designated APs and perform advanced configuration. Click Designate AP to perform AI Wi-Fi optimization only on selected APs with poor wireless experience, without affecting other APs. Click More. Configure the scan time and radio parameters. If a specified AP is selected for AI Wi-Fi optimization, the radio parameters are set to default values and cannot be modified. Choose whether to enable roaming sensitivity, transmit power, and multicast packets as needed. After setting Wi-Fi optimization parameters, click Start and then click Optimize Now in the confirmation window. Click Edit, and move APs to the appropriate categories to adjust their priorities. Click Confirm to deliver the configuration. Wait for the system to perform optimization and adjustment. Check the optimization result. If you are not satisfied with the optimization results, click Restore Previous Settings to restore the previous wireless configuration. To modify the device-specific radio parameter settings, click the List tab to switch the device view first. Then click Configuration in the action column corresponding to a device. At last, configure the device-specific radio parameters, and click Apply to deliver the configuration. In the Toolbox section, click Settings under Dynamic Optimization. Toggle on Dynamic Roaming Optimization and Dynamic Channel Optimization. Set optimization period. And click Confirm to deliver the configuration. In the Toolbox section, click Settings under Scheduled Optimization. Set the date. Select designated APs, and configure advanced settings for scheduled optimization. After the optimization parameters are configured, click Confirm to deliver the configuration. Then, AI Wi-Fi optimization will be performed at the specified time. In the Toolbox section, click Settings under AP Priority. Adjust the AP priorities and click Confirm to deliver the configuration. In the Toolbox section, click Settings under AI Roaming. When AI Dynamic Optimization is enabled, AI Roaming, KV, will also be enabled. After the AP topology changes, to ensure the AI roaming quality, click here to scan the wireless network again. Check AI roaming logs, the number of times APs or clients use AI roaming policies, and the optimization result. Click More to access more features related to AI Wi-Fi optimization. Click View All to display the configuration and results of historical optimization records. AI Wi-Fi Optimization 3.0 supports the application scenario configuration and uploading of floor plans. Click Details to go to the Configuration Details page. Select an application scenario from the Scenario drop-down list. Select a band from the Band drop-down list to display the details. Click View Settings to customize the information display. Click Upload Floor Plan to upload a floor plan. Move an AP to the intended location to view the signal coverage effect. Click Show AP List to display AP details. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.